me to let me know.
Who is?
Transformers!
What do you mean they're calling it? What are they letting you know?
That I'm going to die. It's like The Ring, but Transformers, because the Transformers are outside and they're going to kill me, and they're calling me, which is the creepy phone calls, and they're telling me I'm going to die. Wow, it's not funny when I have to explain it. Well, glad that happened, guys. Good talk. You have 15 minutes to get to your house.
My house is like across the park.
Oh, I forget where things are.
How dare you? How do you make full screen?
Go back to sleep. How big is this Ferris wheel?
Pretty big.